It's your girl Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Luna. So in today's video, you guys just saw me install Freetress's Pearl Curl. I bet y'all can't say that 3 times, but this hair was super easy to install. Very easy, super quick crochet install. And I say that because when I was in the back, I did not pull the hair apart, and that made it go by so fast. But if you guys are new to my channel, hey, welcome. My name is Alicia Jones. I do crochet videos, hair tutorials, I do travel vlogs here and there, and I do try on hauls here and there as well. So if that's what you're interested in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you liked about the video. But yeah, you guys, so I picked this hair up from my local beauty supply, and also when I'm done doing an install, I just come on and tell you guys my quick thoughts about the install and about the hair. So this is what it looks like. I caught myself trying to trim it up a little bit. It don't look butchered like how it usually is. Once I got up towards the front, I did split the hair apart, sometimes 3 to 4 times, because the strands are that thick. I bought 3 packs. Now I'm gonna say 3 packs is all you need. However, I think I got about 8 or 9 braids in the front. You don't need that much. I would say you could get away with probably 6 to 7 braids, okay? The strands are very thick, as you saw me show you in the beginning. The hair comes in this packaging. This is what it looks like. Now on this model, you can tell that she don't have the hair pulled apart. When I finished the install, it was super big, and I was like, dang, because it's hot, it's summer, it's July. Well, it's the end of July, but still it's hot. So I just tamed it with this. I have not ended my installs with mousse in a very long time, but this is one of my favorite style mousses, thanks to Beauty Can Braid. Beauty Can Braid, yes girl. I like this hair. I got it in the color number 2. It is 18 inches and it was $9.99 a pack. If I can find a link for the hair, I will definitely link it below. But as you guys can see, this hair is thick, it is full, it is big. It's giving Diana Ross big, you know what I'm saying? Let me pull it all to the front so y'all can just get an idea. Now this is big for July. I'm gonna just say that. Yeah, this is how big it is. Now I did trim it, but y'all can see the difference of the hair I pulled apart to the hair that I didn't pull apart. Y'all see the difference? But I almost ran out of hair, and I had to take a piece from the back to split it up towards the front. So ghetto. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the description box, in the comment section down below. I'm gonna try to wear this hair for 2 weeks and come back on here and give you a review. Normally I would wear my hair 4 to 6 weeks, but I've been just trying to switch my hairs up, and that's been narrowing it down to 2.5 weeks. But yeah, y'all can stay tuned for a review. It will be definitely coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for the crochet review, because we're gonna have the ups, downs, ins, and outs with that. If y'all been following me, y'all know how I like to do it. But I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.